Hey guys, it's your girl Carrie, and today I'm going to be sharing a Dollar Tree haul video, and I'm going to be combining items that I picked up from my vacation in Dubai. And if you have not watched that mini series, I will leave that linked in the description box below. And then I'm also going to incorporate the items that I picked up from Dollar Tree over the past month or so. So without further ado, I'm going to turn the camera around and let's get started. Okay, here is my Dubai Dollar Tree haul. We picked up from Daiso, and actually Daiso is the Asian version of Dollar Tree, but they did have a Daiso in Dubai. So we picked up this hat there, and this was, I think, $3. These next few items I picked up from the store called Day to Day, and that's like Dubai's Dollar Tree store. It's like a cross between Dollar Tree and Five Below. What? You gotta get chocolate for who?
Huh?
You gotta get chocolate for who?
Some chick.
Some chick?
Yeah, for $1? All it has to be, it doesn't matter as long as it's foreign, she don't think it's expensive. My coworkers.
And these perfume bottles here, I call these my Versace. You know, when I was in Dubai, I stayed at the Palazzo Versace Hotel, and you know, part of the Versace logo is the Greek key and the Medusa head, and this kind of resembles that. I thought this was really cute, my little Versace perfume bottles. So I got 3 of this size, and then they also had this larger one. And again, it kind of like looks like that Medusa head and the Greek key symbol around it. And then I also got this pattern here. It's like a quatrefoil pattern on this one. And this one here. And what I'm going to do with these perfume bottles, I am like accessorizing and decorating some shelves in my mother's bedroom, and I thought it would be cute to put a collection of beautiful perfume bottles on display. Then I also picked up a few for myself. I plan on putting them in my bathroom as well, filling them with poopery spray and hand sanitizer, and just displaying it in a really fancy way. Now these actually cost $10.95 AED, so when you convert that to US dollars, these are about $3 a piece. How cute are these? The next thing I picked up are these cute little camel appetizer picks. So it's camel here, and you have all of the little appetizer picks, and they're little camels on the top of the picks. And you have one camel that's, you know, lying down, and then you have this one here that's standing up. I think that'll be cute on a little buffet. I also picked up this beautiful peacock. It opens. I don't know what you would actually put in there, but it's just really nice. My mother loves peacocks, so I picked this little souvenir up for her. We also picked up several bottles of this perfume, and these were souvenirs that we got for several of our friends and kids. Arabic Perfume Dubai, and I just thought these bottles were really nice. This was a really nice gift, and it actually has perfume in here. And these did not come from Day to Day Dollar Tree. We actually got these from the souk where they have the gold and the spice souks. We went to the perfume section and picked these up. I thought these were really cute. So here are the items that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. First up are these Stemless champagne flutes, and I thought these were beautiful. And my store only had 3 of them, so I'm looking to build up to a collection of 8, so I will still be on the hunt for these. I picked up a few packages of these Acorn Decorations, and I'll be using these to make my dupe of the Pure One charger plates for Thanksgiving. Now I picked up 2 of the Crest with Scope toothpaste. I love this toothpaste. It really gives your mouth a fresh feeling, and it's 2.7 ounces, so this is great for a travel size. I picked up 8 boxes of this maple brown sugar cream of wheat. They come 3 in a pack, and my husband loves these, but they are pretty hard to find in our grocery store or Dollar Tree. So whenever I do see them in Dollar Tree, I do stack up because these are a better price than the grocery store. I have these cute little pearl barrettes, and I picked this up for my daughter. She's always going to different types of functions. This cute little goodie headband. I don't know what this material is called. It's kind of like a crochet type material with a little jean embellishment here, jean material embellishment, and this is by the brand Goodie. And I picked up a couple of these head wraps, these bandeau head wraps in a maroon, like a Bordeaux color, and an olive green color. It's back! Dollar Tree now has fashion tape again. About 3 or 4 years ago, they carried it in the stores, and I shared this with you guys, and many of you said you could not find it in your store. So now that it's back in there, be on the lookout for it. I shared in several other videos the non-Dollar Tree brand. I think it's the Hollywood fashion tape brand. I swear by this stuff, and it's basically, you know, if you have a larger chest and those gaps in between your shirts, you can put that there and close up those gaps. And also you can just use it in a ton of different ways to manipulate and place your clothing. So I picked up several of these, and these may be stocking stuffers for my girls and various people, but this stuff is really good. They also brought back the silicone nip covers and the disposable floral petal nip covers. And basically this is to hide, you know, your nipples from poking through or showing through when you're wearing backless or strapless outfits, or outfits without a bra, or if you have a thin bra on, you can just put that over your nipples and make sure that, you know, you don't see them through your clothing. And this one is reusable. It's a silicone, a pair of silicone ones, and these here are disposable nipple covers. And this one has 6 in a pack, so you have 3 pairs of them. I was so excited to finally find the Rustic signed picture frames in my Dollar Tree. I picked up 4 of these, and these I plan on using for entertaining and, you know, labeling the food. So putting the food description and putting that out on my buffet. I picked up several of these plastic envelopes with the clasp on them, and I just use these to store documents. And my last item was this Nivea Soft. Now I absolutely love this lotion, and you know, they have the regular Nivea, but this right here is a fluffy soft version of that. And I typically pick this up from Walmart, and it's in a tube form. I was surprised to see this in the, you know, canister type form at the Dollar Tree. And personally, I am not a big fan of, you know, lotions that you scoop out with your hand, because I feel like you're adding bacteria and germs to the mix. I like to squeeze mine out, but I think these are perfect for when you're carrying those small purses like a clutch. And here are the items I picked up from Walmart. I thought I'd just add these into this haul, since these were inexpensive items too, ranging from $1 to $5. And I just love these headbands. They kind of crisscross in the middle to give you that figure 8 type of look. And they have the elastic on the back. And these were on clearance for $1. These normally run anywhere between $3.97 and $4.97 at Walmart. And that's the best price point to pick these up, because I think they're like $10 in Target if you wanted to get this type of headband. So I think those are really nice, and I've been rocking these for most of the summertime and into the fall. Also, I really liked these caps, these corduroy baseball caps, and these will be great for the fall when you just want to throw your hair back in a ponytail and keep it moving, just for a casual look. And these are from the brand Chime and True from Walmart, and they cost $4.97. I got this like brown camel rust type color and a black one. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my Dollar Tree haul, and you will see how I incorporate some of these items in some DIYs for my holiday tablescapes. And until next time, I'm going to keep calm and carry on. Bye guys.